Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to delete Facebook accounts or permanently delete your Facebook account. If you want to delete your Facebook account, so first of all go to your Facebook app. You can see my Facebook account, and in this time I can easily delete Facebook account or permanently delete Facebook account. So let's see. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. Scroll down, choose and open settings and privacy. After that, choose settings, click on it. So in this time I can choose see more in account center, click on it. Scroll down, choose and open personal details. After that you can see account ownership and control, click here. In this time I can choose and open deactivation or deletion, click on it. Deactivation or deletion, to start the process select what you would like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account. So in this time you can choose and open your Facebook account. After that, in this here, click on it. After that, choose continue. After you can see pages and profiles that will be deleted, remember. After that, in this time I can choose continue, click on it. In this time I can choose first reason I spent too much on Facebook, and then click on it. After that, choose continue. After that, choose continue, click here. Permanently delete account. After that, scroll down. After that, choose continue, click on it. Confirm permanent account deletion. After you can see delete account or cancel. In this time I can choose delete account, click on it. And in this way you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. After that I can show another way or second process or second method. So let's see. So in this time you can go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open Google Chrome and log in or sign in your Facebook account. You can see in this time I can log in or sign in my Facebook account desktop mode or PC mode or laptop mode. And in this time I can easily delete Facebook accounts or delete Facebook account permanently. So let's see. After you can see Facebook profile picture, click on it. After that, choose settings and privacy, click on it. After that, choose settings, open it. You can see more in account center, so choose see more in account center, click on it. After that, you can choose and open personal details. Account ownership and control, open it. In this time you can choose and open deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles, click on it. After that, choose and open your Facebook account. You can see deactivate account, delete account. So instead you can choose delete account. After that, choose continue. After that, again choose continue. I can choose second reason I have a privacy concern. After that, choose continue. Choose continue, click on it. After that, choose continue, click on it. You can see confirm permanent account deletion. After that, choose delete account, click on it. And in this way you can easily delete your Facebook account or permanently delete your Facebook account or delete Facebook account permanently. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.